All right, so we're looking at SPY. All right, I see this little impulse right here. I'm probably a little bit late on it. I wasn't really looking at it earlier. It had already made a move that I would like, but we got some good opportunities here. I do like the fact that we did cross this 11.8. We crossed to 38. We came back. We touched the 23. I do like this trade to take it back to the 61%. So I will be looking to go long on this, and I will put a stop loss below here. I'm going to pause this video so I can put some entries in. Hold on. All right. So I'm there. Protect the stop loss below here. I want to get here now because this the distance to where I'm at here. I more than likely won't have a stop loss right here. I probably pull it more in here, so the ratio. It's because you're risking. You got to think where you're risking. You know, the downside for price coming back down here to hitting it is greater than what it will be up here. All right, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna copy this link, and I'm gonna go over to the dark horse. I'm gonna go under where I currently am right now. All right, and I already did a SPY before and after, so I'm gonna hit my edit button. I'm gonna go in, and I'm gonna add in SPY trade number 2. All right, and then I paste it there. Hit save. Okay, so as this trade materialize, all right, if I could get a push back up here, all right, I take profit. I come back in, hit my link button again, and I go back over there and I will post the update. So I already did this earlier today. All right, so I was like, price crossed 11.8. However, I'm in a meeting and didn't enter the trade. I would look for price coming back above the 23% level before looking to go short. All right, so this is a previous day high liquidity sweep. All right, so you saw that they had a green line up here. Price came above. We did drop. All right, I was looking for price to come back to this 23. It never came because I'm going to show you now, which this is the SPY after. And you see what happened? Price did come down to 61, but let me go back right quick to show you something. All right, so you see I said we'll trade it to here, 61%. So this is the 61% area right here that I was going to trade it to. But I needed price to pull back above here. It didn't give me that. And so since it didn't give me that, all right, I just went on here and I just notated on my chart. All right, price went to the 61% level target. However, price didn't provide me the second opportunity for entry. Target's hit, but no trade entry. So I didn't even really take a trade here, but you see it came back down. All right, and so now you see us currently where we currently are right now. This is an impulse. I can measure it. All right, I'm going to play these levels to get back up to here. Okay, now if I really don't want to move this because I want to save this chart, but let me see if I can zoom in a little bit, and you can see right here. You see this green line? All right, that's the previous day high. All right, and then down, where are we at? Let's see with a red. Try to see if I can find the previous day low. All right, let me barely move this over so, because I don't want to mess up my chart. So when I post again, let's see. Where previous day? Where you at? Oh, sorry, I ain't even have to do all that. Previous day low down here. All right, so my bad. I ain't even had to touch this. All right, so let's keep that like that. All right, let's go back. All right, boom. So yeah, so previous day low is down here. So we got a lot of room. So, but I'm playing this liquidity sweep. All right, and yeah, that's it. All right, so let's check on Solana. All right, so these are my 4 assets. All right, so Solana broke above its previous day high, and it closed above. So this look like this is going to probably continue to try to push up, you know, higher. All right, and then I can go and I can check, and we'll look at the liquidation levels. And let me refresh this. We get some fresh. All right, looks, okay, and we want to stay away from the majority. All right, so let's go a little Solana. So majority are short. So 68% right here. You see 68% on the 4 hour. 68 is short. Let's go see what the 1 hour look like. 92% is short. And then look what's happening on Solana. All right, they're pushing up. All right, this 30-minute chart. So basically, within the last hour or so, price has just been pushing up. All right, so all these people who are going short, they think it's going to come down here, and they're just getting liquidated. And so more than likely, price is probably going to continue to push higher. And look where the relation is right here. Right, these are magnetic zones where a lot of people come in and they believe that, oh, this is an area of supply and demand, or the supply area, price should drop from here. And this is where a lot of traps start to occur. All right, you got to be careful. There's a lot of traders in here that were looking to short, and price just broke above, and they're all liquidity. So definitely be careful of that. All right. So if I'm just trading this, I'd be looking to go higher. I'm not looking to do no shorts over here. All right. That's just the obvious. You see, this is the obvious. Everybody's trying to go short, and look, their liquidity. We're not doing that. Keep this stuff simple. All right. SHIB, USD. Same thing played out. Everything worked out. As far as 11.8, came back down, hit all the levels. All right, we're cool. All right, now you see this was an impulse, and it already came back, and it already basically hit all our levels. All right, so I could take it here and measure this impulse down and right there. Look what happened. 11.8 cross, hit the 61%. Boom, out of the trade. You're good to go. All right, what's the next one? XRP, USDT. So we did Sol, Solana, XRP, and SHIB. All right, so you already see on my chart, I already got everything that already been hit up. All right, so this is what I'm talking about, right? Look at this. Look at this. I already got everything on the chart. Potential bear trap zone. All right, boom. Bear trap zone held. Bears were liquidated. All right, I already had this before. Okay, so if I go back over here, all right, and I go up to my previous one. So here's the XRP before. You see all this? This is before, right? You see the time, it's time stamp. Everything is time stamp. You see up here time stamp. All right. There's no bar replay. You cannot do a bar replay and have a countdown bar. So that's how you know whether or not somebody using a bar replay. If they do a replay, there won't be a countdown number like a 25. So there's 25 minutes, 18 seconds left on a 30-minute chart. All right. So you won't be able to see that. You see everything called potential bear trap zone, looking for XRP to push to the $2.98 region. 95% are short on the 1 hour. Watch for bear trap as prices in a supply zone. This is supply zone. This is the bear trap, meaning everybody was trying to go short, 75%, but guess what happened? Price pushed up. Okay, where we are now. Well, first let's go back and let's look at after. All right, so this is after. So you see that my first target hit, all right? So then I said bear trap zone held, they were liquidated. But we still got these other targets, all right? And then now we just smashed through, we just hit target number 3, okay? So this is the power of that, all right? Boom, simple, okay? Now if I want to, I can go ahead, I can copy this link, go back over here where we at, hit this edit button, all right, and I can put another XRP after, and then target 3. All right, all this stuff I'm just updating in real time. This is essentially like my journal of me doing the work, doing the reps, keeping it real. I'm not caring about how much money be made and none of the other stuff. I'm just doing it over and over again. So like I told you, a lot of y'all still got time to do the challenge if you want to. All right, I put the link in the description. You can sign up, and then of course I got the trainings to show y'all how the system I keep using. All right, it's over and over. It's time to focus on mastery. All right, and that's it. I just do those 4. Can I do more assets during the day? Yeah, I just do SPY. All right, and I told everybody inside the academy of what assets I'm trading. All right, here are my assets. I'm only trading SPY for the stock market, SHIB for crypto, Solana crypto, and then XRP crypto. So these only 4 assets that I'm trading. I'm not talking about investing, right? I invest vast more than that, right? But this is only for trading, okay? Right? And that's it, all right? So get locked in, guys. Do the work. It is what it is. Keep it simple. Even if some of y'all just got one. Some people just do one asset. Some people do QQQ. Some people do SPY. I mean, if you got a favorite stock like Tesla or Nvidia, Google, whatever. If you feel comfortable just trading that, then trade that. That's it. All right. It's your boy E White. I'm out. Hit like button, subscribe. Boom.